Hello students, I am happy your maths teacher is back with another video. In this video we are going to learn chapter 15 probability of a class 9. In this video we are going to learn only theoretical portion of this chapter. So first we have to clear the meaning of probability. So students, you are using this word daily in your routine life, right? The meaning of probability in Hindi is called संभावना. In English, the singular one of the probabilities are possibility and chances. Like an example. Now, right now you are in the 9th class, right? If I ask you, okay, what is your chances to score more than 80% in your SSC board examination? तो आप आंसर क्या दोगे कि सर चांसेस कुछ ज़्यादा है, कुछ कम है, लाइक 80% है, 90% है, राइट? सो इन डेली रूटीन लाइफ यू यूज दिस वर्ड पॉसिबिलिटी, चांसेस मैनी टाइम्स. तो यही हमारा चैप्टर है प्रोबेबिलिटी, राइट? इसी के बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे. एंड देयर इज ऑलवेज अ डेटा बिहाइंड एवरी प्रोबेबिलिटी. कि किसी भी प्रोबेबिलिटी अगर हमें फाइंड करना हो तो उसके लिए क्या होना चाहिए? डेटा हमारे पास होना ही चाहिए, राइट? सो हियर वी विल लर्न दिस by one example, right? If there are 100 matches played between India and New Zealand, so out of 100, 70 matches India won and 30 matches New Zealand won, right? So here India won and New Zealand won are called what? Event, right? These two are event. We have the first event is a India won and second event is a New Zealand won. And the total matches, number of total matches is called what? Trials, right? So probability of empirical, right? Empirical probability means a theoretical probability, right? There are two types of probability, theoretical and second one is a practical, right? So in our syllabus we are going to only empirical probability, right? So formula is number of trials in which event happened. The number of trials in which event happened divided by total number of trials, right? So how many events we have in this example? Two events. Okay, first India won and second New Zealand won, right? So first we are going to find the probability of India won matches, right? So P of E equal to, according to the formula, number of trials in which event happened. Now first we are finding probability for the India one, and for India one the number of trial is 70. Clear? So in the numerator we place 70 and the denominator total number of trials, and total matches is called trial, and here your total trial is 100. So in denominator you place 100. So 70 upon 100, 0 cancel out. So your answer is 7 upon 10. Now if you divide them, you will get answer 0.7 in the decimal form. We already learned in the 6th class that if in the denominator only one zero is present, then you have to put the decimal point before one digit, right? Same is, if you will find the probability of a New Zealand won matches. So how many trials in which this event occurred, happened? So 30 trials, right? And the total number of trials is 100. So again 30 upon 100, 0 cancel out. Answer is 3 upon 10. Again 10 is present in the denominator. So we have to put decimal point before one digit. So it will be 0.3, right? And here students, I mentioned one important note, that is the more number of trials you get more accurate probability. Right? So if you want accurate probability, so for that you have to do more trials. Same example इसी में समझते हैं कि अगर 100 मैचेस की जगह सिर्फ में यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल्स टोटल ले लेता हूँ 2, राइट? नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल इज 2 और दोनों की दोनों में सिर्फ इंडिया ही जीतती है एंड न्यूजीलैंड वन 0 मैच, राइट? तो यहाँ पे फिर प्रोबेबिलिटी आपकी चेंज हो जाएगी, राइट? कि इंडिया वन में क्या आएगा? number of trials in which event happen. It is 2 and total number of matches is also 2. So 2 upon 2 answer is 1 and for New Zealand it will be 0 upon 2 equal to 0. Right? So remember this always. Okay, to get accurate probability you have to do maximum number of trials. Okay students.